Hi traders, have you seen the cryptocurrency market? Oh my God, traders, it is on fire. And you know what's weird is that despite the meteoric rise across the entire cryptocurrency market, it's largely being underreported by mainstream financial news networks. Very interesting, but that's a topic for another day. Today, I want to talk a little bit about my historical move into cryptocurrencies, which wasn't all that long ago. Now, what's interesting is that recently I've gotten a lot of comments from people who say, aha, Oliver's gotten into the cryptocurrency market late. I've been playing the cryptocurrency market for 3, 4, 5 years, and Oliver just started and he thinks he's some big giant cryptocurrency expert. No, you're incorrect on two fronts. Number one, I am not an expert by any stretch of the imagination, but every single day I'm becoming more and more astute at this very unique market. Number two, the second way those comments are wrong is that I was not late. You were just early. Now listen, many people were trying to drag me into this market back in 2016, 2017, and I was having none of it. And I made it very public that I would not touch this market, largely because I needed to see the cryptocurrency market crash. I believed at that particular time it was going through a frenzy, and I do not invest in unfounded frenzies. Now, I felt that after the cryptocurrency market collapsed and after I was given the ability, afforded the opportunity to see, watch, analyze how this relatively baby market handled its first major crash, I could get a better feel for whether or not I felt the market had longevity. And I do this in the equity market as well. Many of you know that I never touch IPOs, initial public offerings, for this same reason. I miss opportunities, yes, but I will not touch a company until it first goes through its first 1 or 2 crashes. I need to see and monitor the item's survivability. Many things that have an illustrious start experience their first crash and they never amount to anything after that. So this is what I was waiting for in the cryptocurrency market. I needed to see Bitcoin in particular go through its first crash. And in late 2017, we got that. That frenzy in the crypto market took Bitcoin all the way up to brush 20,000. After topping 20,000, lo and behold, Bitcoin experienced its first major crash from 20,000 all the way down to close to $3,000. That is a huge crash. But I wasn't quite satisfied enough. From that low $3,000 price, I watched Bitcoin go to $14,000. And I said to myself, I need just one more drop, one more crash. And if Bitcoin gives me that, I will make my foray into this market. And so from 14,000 more or less, Bitcoin gave me exactly what I was looking for. At the start of this pandemic, it collapsed from 14 all the way down once again to that low $3,000 number. That's all I needed. Now listen to this. When it gave me that, when it did that, on March 12th, I went online with you and made one of the biggest announcements of this entire year. I told you that on this day, March 12th, I would be covering all of my shorts from the equity market. That's right, I was heavily short the market. The world knows that, all of my traders know that. We benefited huge from that collapse in the market. On March 12th, I went public and told you I'm covering all of my shorts and I'm taking the gains, these hefty gains that I made on the drop, and I'm making my first major investment in Bitcoin and in all of the other cryptocurrencies as well. Now, I want to take you back to that announcement just to refresh your memory. But traders, the point is that I have a method. I have an approach. Sometimes that approach causes me to miss some huge opportunities, but I need to see how a market handles trouble. I needed that with this market first. I need that in the stock market. I needed that in the cryptocurrency market. And I need that for my traders as well. A trader is not tested entirely until they go through their first major problem, until they go through their first big, major, troublesome period. That's when you can see what they're really made of. Do they survive, or do they wind up a shell of what they used to be and wind up ultimately leaving the game? The traders that survive the bad times are the traders that go on to have a long, illustrious career in this business. And I apply that theory, I apply that concept to stocks, I apply it to the cryptocurrency market as well. Take a look at my announcement to you and the rest of the world on March 12th.
Hi traders, another crazy but amazing morning in the markets. Limit down once again. You guys should know what that means. I am going to be covering today a good percentage of my shorts. My shorts have allowed me to benefit from this market decline over the last several weeks in a huge historical way. Very pleased about that. I'm going to be covering some of those shorts and potentially looking to reposition for those shorts later on any rebound. I'm also putting out a major buy alert on Bitcoin and the cryptos. So I'll be looking to establish some really heavy long positions, and I'm willing to average down on those long positions with the cryptos, okay? So more to come, guys, more to come. Boom, NASDAQ tomorrow.
So there you have it, traders. There you have it, right here. A perfectly timed, aggressive dive into the cryptocurrency market. And traders, let me just tell you, we went into Bitcoin in the mid $3,000 range. Bitcoin topped $18,000. So far, Ethereum, we went in at $95, and many other times after that, Ethereum just topped $600, 95 to 600. Ripple at 18 cents. Ripple just topped 60 cents. Guys, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I am going to rock this market. Despite being a baby, I'm going to rock this market the way I've rocked the equity markets for the last 33 years of my life. You watch me. Since March of this year, I've been doing that, and I've only just begun. There it is. There's my cryptocurrencies. Follow me. Follow my every move. Follow my every buy, my every sell. Learn the reasons behind what I do. Let's do this together. Bitcoin Trading Club. Join it. Join it today. Talk to you soon, traders. Boom!